You can't speak English, can you? Well, at least that was the case until this video. If you're ready, I'm going to help you start speaking English in just 5 minutes. The biggest mistake you can't speak English is simple. You don't know how English sentences are built. In this video, we are going to analyze just 5 sentences. And once you understand this logic, you'll be able to build thousands of sentences. If that sounds hard to believe, let's start. When you start building a sentence in English, the first thing you need is the subject. The subject is the person or thing that does the action. Let's choose a simple subject, I. Normally, you would add the verb right after the subject. But in this sentence, we will include an adverb first. So, let's add carefully. Then the verb cleaned. So now we have I carefully cleaned. But what did we clean? Let's add the object, my desk. Now the sentence becomes I carefully cleaned my desk. So where did we clean it? In my room. Now the sentence is I carefully cleaned my desk in my room. When did we do this? Before school. And now we have the full sentence. I carefully cleaned my desk in my room before school. That's it. That's how English sentence structure works. This sentence is in the past tense, but here is the important part. No matter which tense you use, the structure stays the same. Let's build another one together. Subject, we. Adverb, happily. Verb, watched. So we get, we happily watched. What did we watch? A movie. Where? In the living room. When? After dinner. Now let's read the full sentence. We happily watched a movie in the living room after dinner. Really simple, right? Let's try a few more quickly. My father slowly reads. What does he read? The newspaper. Where? In the garden. When? In the morning. Final sentence. My father slowly reads the newspaper in the garden in the morning. Next one. My friends and I excitedly played. What? A game. Where? At the park. When? After school. Final sentence. My friends and I excitedly played a game at the park after school. And the last one. My mother quietly cooked. What? A delicious meal. Where? In the kitchen. So when? After my homework. The final sentence is my mother quietly cooked a delicious meal in the kitchen after my homework. As you noticed, all of these sentences are positive sentences. So how do we make them negative? We look at the tense. For present simple, we use do and does. So we can say I do not clean or he does not read. Or you can also say don't or doesn't. If you want to turn the sentence into a question, just bring do or does to the beginning. For example, do you clean your desk? Or does he read the newspaper? So, if we want to form both negative and interrogative sentences, we start with don't or doesn't. It's also possible to ask questions using the WH words. In this case, these words come at the beginning of the whole sentence. For example, why do you look so sad? Or how much money do you have in your pocket? Let's quickly review all the sentences. I carefully cleaned my desk in my room before school. We happily watched a movie in the living room after dinner. My father slowly reads the newspaper in the garden in the morning. My friends and I excitedly played a game at the park after school. My mother quietly cooked a delicious meal in the kitchen after my homework. So, for everyone who says, I don't know how to start a sentence, or I can't speak English, this is your answer. Once you understand this structure and practice it enough, the only thing left is learning more words. Now you know how to build sentences, but maybe you're wondering, how can I practice speaking in the most effective way? For that, click on this video and learn the method that made me fluent in English. Do what I did and start speaking like I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.